Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, this is a video that I did not want to make, but it has to be made, and you see it right in front of you. I am sending back or returning my Galaxy Z Fold8 back to T-Mobile / Samsung. I was trying to hang on. There's some reasons why, and in this video I'm going to go over some of them, and then y'all can let me know in the comments. I know I probably will get a lot of hate and slack for this video, so it is what it is. I have been having it for about a week now, and you know, the 2 weeks time frame is coming up, and I just don't want to wait, and I want to just get it over with. But yes, this is a sad day in the Forest Tech Reviews family. But let's go over some of the reasons I'm returning it. The form factor, I thought would be something I could get used to, something I would enjoy, and it's just not the case. It is really a small phone, and when you open it up, I just can't get used to it. I like the bigger phones, like my Z Fold 7 that I had, and then my Motorola Razr Fold has been a beast for me. I love that phone, and just the overall feel of this phone is not it. I know a lot of people enjoy this phone. A lot of people decide to pick the phone up, and that is good for them. You know, I appreciate the comments and everything else, but for me, I just don't see spending $1,800 if it doesn't excite me. Plus, it has 2 cameras on there. Really? I mean, why couldn't they give us a telephoto lens? Everyone's been saying we need a telephoto lens, and they give us 2 cameras. And then a smaller battery, everything else, smaller screen, but this phone is $1,800. The camera, it's like this is like a stepdaughter or stepchild of the Z Fold 8 Ultra, and I think it's time to return it and get my money back, and maybe pick up a Pixel Fold 11 Pro or something and try that out, because it's a little bit bigger, probably better cameras on there. I mean, the battery life is good on here. The display is good. I love how thin it is. You know, the overall feel, the weight is good, but you know, I just can't do it anymore. I have to go ahead and return the phone. Plus, Mr. J. Will said that if you want great battery life, you want all of this, you might as well just return the phone if you don't want that kind of thing. So I'm going to return it. He can pick it up on a rehab phone deal or refurbished phone deal, and he can have my Galaxy Z Fold8 and he can use it. But I know a lot of people are going to have a lot of things to say. If y'all want to, leave some comments in the description. But yeah, she is going back to T-Mobile / Samsung. It was good while it lasted, but I just can't do it anymore. Alright, y'all. If y'all think that's the true story, nah. This is a Z Fold8 that is going back to Samsung, but I do like this phone. I am getting used to the size. Stay tuned to the real 1-week review I have coming up pretty soon. But this is the mistake phone, y'all. I'm just trolling a little bit, having some fun. But I ordered this phone from Samsung, and then I canceled it because I got a better deal through T-Mobile. Even though I tried to go through T-Mobile on Samsung's website, I couldn't do it. So I just ordered this phone, and I thought I canceled it. It shows that I canceled it, but Samsung still sent it out to me, and they're still looking for their money too. So I called them up. They couldn't explain what happened. They could see that I tried to cancel it. It showed canceled in their system, but it's still on my plan, or it's still out there that I owe them the money. So it's going back. I'm keeping this phone, y'all. Hopefully y'all not too mad at me. Hopefully you made it to the end of this video. But yeah, I'm definitely keeping it. Stay tuned. I have more case videos coming out. I have more videos to make on this phone, maybe like an 8K video. But I definitely am keeping this fold right here for the long haul. But just making a little fun video. Y'all let me know in the comments. Hopefully y'all might comment before I even said the truth about the video. So let me know. Y'all have some fun with it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy Z Fold8. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at @ForrestReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. And yeah, the box is still sealed too, by the way. So there's a phone in here, but it's going back to Samsung. Peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day.